Hey guys, hope you can join me and have some fun as I show you how to draw a Squishmallow Yoda. Let's start at the top, come down, and then around, and then back up to form the Squishmallow shape. Now you can practice that with your whole arm. Now I'm going to draw a line coming up here, about a third of the way up. And I'm going to then draw a little bumpy line like so, all the way around to here. We're going to draw a little line like that, and we're going to bump this one around as well. This is his jacket, the fluffy part on his jacket. Curve that up. Now let's draw Yoda's ears on. So bring one out like this, and then bring the other ear out like so. Try and match them up. Now we're going to start down here. We're going to bring a line that comes up like this, and then around like that. We're going to do the same on the other side. So I'm starting here at this time, bringing it around, and then back down like so. Now he's going to have his mouth, one mouth, and then his little nose. Now he's got some biggish eyes, so a couple of oval shape, but a bit more pointy towards the middle. I'm going to put 2 dots on there, and 2 dots there, and now we colour that in. Wherever you put those dots is where he's looking, so he's looking out to the left or his right. Now we're going to put some lines in. Put one line in there like so. 2. One on each side like that. And then he's got a line that comes in and then around like this. On that side, curve it in and around like this on the side. I guess that's like his wrinkles.